Hi guys! So, today, meron po tayong gagawin and I'm happy kasi today we got the news or I got the news that I can finally vlog this new blessing that we got. My husband and I got. I've been wanting to do it earlier but it rained. So, we're doing it today. So, aside from the new van that we got and also the new e-bike that we got, we also got a new blessing. And ito nga yung papakita ko. I'm going to show you guys the property na finally, it was a lot of work. And minsan nakala ko, hindi ko na nga ito makukuha, or my husband and I thought hindi na namin siya makukuha because this was like almost 6 months or almost 5 months. March, April, May, June, July. So let's say 4 months na pinag-pray namin. And since laging hindi natutuloy, it came to a point na parang okay, hindi na siya para sa amin. Yun. So, if you guys notice, ano lang siya. So, yung bahay is from there. Doon lang yung bahay. So, lumiko lang tayo dito. This is called the dito lang, basta dito lang tayo sa Mayantok area. So, So, ito na nga, finally, i-reveal na natin yung isa sa mga pinangarap at pinagdasal naming mag-asawa na ma-acquire namin. And by God's grace, na-bless naman kami. Ito na nga siya. Excited ako na ipakita sa inyo, guys. Ayan, walang may alam na i-vlog ko to, kaya wala akong kasama. Sariling sikap ang pag-vlog. May trangkaso pa nga ako since hinatid sa airport si Mr. Flavel. Excuse me. So, ito na yung property. Nay? Kumusta, Uncle? Ito siya. Oo, mokmok sa. So, itong gate is already brand new. Ito yung una naming na-repair. So, yung lumang gate niya is yun, yung nasa loob. If you guys can see. Ayun. Yung green doon. So, yan yung lumang gate. So, napapalitan na namin yung gate. So, itong gate is sliding. Ayan. Pa nga siya, hindi pa siya tapos kasi this should be black. Ayan. So, yung house, ayan, talagang natayo na yan. So, we bought it as is. Napalinis na namin. And I have other videos na mag-show yung inside. So, dalawang property kasi yan. Ito yung pinagawa ng owner. Pero hindi na nila tinuloy. May nag-rent. And ayun yung parang tinirahan ng mga nag-rent. Tapos, malawak kasi siya. Hindi na ako papasok. Maybe some other time. Pag medyo okay na siya. Pero ito, this is also part of the property, and this is actually a little sari store or something like that. But it's kind of hard na maging sari store now because as you can see, there's a ditch or yung kanal. So this has to be like, if you want it to be a sari store, then kailangan meron parang bridge. Yan, diba? So anyways, but we're not gonna do that. So itong area na to, titirhan niya ng driver namin. Papaayos namin. That's gonna be a driver's quarter. Tapos hindi rin namin tatanggalin, for now, hindi rin namin tatanggalin yung bahay na yon where tumira yung nag-rent, previous renter. Ipapaayos na lang namin and dyan din titira yung namin, driver slash security guard namin and his family. So, eto, there will be a plan for this part of the house and it's up to Mr. Flavel kung anong gusto niyang gawin. But yes, that is in the works. And malawak siya guys kasi ang lawak ng likod pa niya. So, I'm very happy and I'm very thankful na na-bless tayo ni Lord. So, ayun na nga guys. Yun na nga. So, grabing zoom. Ayan. Ayan. So, ayun. Yun yung bahay. So, that's over there. Sorry guys. So, ayun, I was gonna do a full vlog of house tour or property tour of that. But I don't have the key. I have a copy of the key, pero my driver has the other key. And my ading had the other one. So that's one of the properties na blessed kami ni Lord na ibinigay sa amin. So, ayun. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is my first vlog again for, what do you call this, for YouTube. Yeah, for YouTube. So, sana support you guys ang manoorin nyo. I know there's a lot of controversies right now na nangyayari, but I'm not going to even entertain any of that. I'll just let God do His work because He never failed me or my husband through all these years, and I believe that He will not at this time. So yun. And of course, i-entra ulit natin ang aming bagong van. Ito po, they call this the Artista van because inside you can actually stand up. Nissan po siya. And we're very proud of it. And ito na nga. Meron din tayong bagong e-bike. Since napa-raffle natin yung luma, this is a new model they have. Meron na siyang rear end camera. Ayan. Sama yung rear end camera dito. Right here. Yan. So, ito ang ating bagong e-bike. So, aside from the new van, then we got the new e-bike, and of course now, a new property. So, yun guys, if you believe and always trust in God, all your dreams and all your goals will actually come true. Diba? Thank you guys for watching. Until next time. Bye!